Bro, this is insane. You can literally create a full short film or viral video in seconds just by typing a prompt. No camera, no actor, no editing. It's all done by an AI called Higgsfield Popcorn. And trust me, it's not one of those AI promises. This one actually delivers cinematic quality. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how Popcorn works, step by step, how to upload your images, add prompts, use face swap, create your clips with Instadump, and create your own mini movie, all for free. What's up, everyone? I'm Nissam, and welcome back. I've been testing every AI video tool out there, from Veo to Sora 2, but Popcorn is on another level. It's like they mixed Hollywood with memes and gave it a turbo button. Let's jump straight in. All right, first thing, go to popcorn.higgsfield.ai and sign in. The interface is super clean. Up here, you have your prompt box, and right below, you can choose your aspect ratio and the number of results. You can also define the style directly in your prompt, which gives you full control over the look. But before you hit generate, you can also upload one or more reference images to guide Popcorn's generation. So if you want your main character, a product, or even your face to appear consistently across scenes, just drag and drop the image right here. Popcorn uses it as a visual cue, which helps it stay consistent with your idea. Let's start simple. I'll upload a quick reference image of myself, then type a cinematic shot of a man running through neon-lit streets at night, rain falling, cyberpunk Tokyo aesthetic. Popcorn starts generating immediately. And look at this. The lighting, reflections, motion blur, everything looks like a professional film trailer. You don't even need to tweak anything. It's just done. Now here's where Popcorn gets powerful. You can control camera movement, lighting mood, and vibe directly from the prompt. For example, slow cinematic zoom on a detective smoking under a flickering streetlight, dramatic noir tone. That zoom in, Popcorn handles it perfectly. Smooth, stable, and with realistic motion. It's like having a built-in cinematographer. Now, let's get creative. Because Popcorn isn't just for cinematic talking head shots or dramatic scenes. You can also build viral short videos and story-style sequences step by step, exactly like a filmmaker. And I really wanted to push this feature, so here's what I did. I switched to manual mode because manual mode is perfect when you already have a scene idea and you want full control over the storytelling. Then I uploaded my picture, and I also uploaded a husky image. Yes, we're going full man and loyal husky adventure short film here. After uploading both images, I selected 6 scenes because I wanted to create a little mini story, shot by shot, like you would plan a storyboard. And here's where it gets fun. Instead of typing one prompt and praying for consistency, I wrote 6 individual prompts, one for each moment in the story. So scene 1 describes the opening shot, scene 2 advances the narrative, and so on. If you want the exact prompts I used, just comment prompt and I'll send them to you because trust me, this workflow is crazy powerful and having a template will save you a ton of time. Once all 6 prompts were written, I set the aspect ratio to 16:9 to give it that cinematic YouTube look, and then I hit generate. A few minutes later, boom. Popcorn gave me 6 scenes, each one matching my prompts perfectly. And here's the important part. The character consistency was insane. Same face, same husky, same overall visual aesthetic. It literally felt like I filmed a short film with a dog, except I didn't. And after that, I simply converted each scene to video inside Popcorn, and suddenly I had a full sequence with movement and atmosphere ready to edit. And honestly, I was impressed. The lighting was consistent, the vibe stayed coherent from shot to shot, and the husky stayed the same dog throughout the whole story. No random face morphs, no switching breeds, nothing weird. This is the kind of result people have been waiting for because consistency is the biggest weakness in most AI video tools, and Popcorn handled it like a pro. The cool part? Once you understand this process, you can do anything. Comedy skits, mini movies, emotional story edits, meme-style scenes, even fantasy or sci-fi ideas. Imagine a lost traveler and talking dog adventure, or a dramatic rescue, or even a cozy slice of life montage. It's literally like having a small movie studio in your laptop. And if you have an idea you want me to turn into a mini AI short film, drop it in the comments because I might pick your concept for the next video. Now let me show you something that makes popcorn even faster when it comes to face swapping and consistency, and that's InstaDump. So normally with auto mode or manual mode, you can do face swaps by uploading your image and writing the prompt, and it works great. But sometimes you don't want to keep rewriting prompts to get the same face perfectly every time. That's where InstaDump becomes a cheat code. InstaDump lets you build your own face pack, your identity inside popcorn, and then reuse it instantly in any scene. You just upload up to 15 reference photos, give your pack a name, upload your image, and popcorn learns your face and style in seconds. Then next time you want to appear in a video, instead of typing prompts or re-uploading photos, you just pick your identity pack, upload a single picture, and boom, popcorn generates new scenes that look exactly like you. No prompt stress, no trial and error, no wasting time, perfect consistency in just one click. And that's Higgsfield Popcorn, probably the most powerful AI video generator out right now. It's fast, cinematic, and surprisingly easy to use. If you try it, tag me with #Nissam. I'd love to see what you create. And if you want me to test more crazy AI tools like this, hit that like button and subscribe, because the next one might just break the internet again. See you in the next one.